heart start beating. So there's some common halogens, yeah, whatever. Now, I want to put, where are we? Okay. I want to show you something now. Look, this is the nitrate ion. Look at the charge. This is the phosphate ion. This 4 tells me I have 4 oxygens and 1 phosphorus. The charge is separate. Okay? This is the nitrate ion. I have 3 oxygens, 1 nitrogen. What's the charge on it? 1 minus, right? Phosphate is 3 minus. See why I call them single parent families? 1 phosphorus, 4 oxygens, 1 nitrogen, 3 oxygens. Don't be breaking up the houses. These families are nice. And they have a little bit of extra money. So electrons. They have 1 extra electron, they have 3 extra electrons. Okay? So you see the difference between the charge and how many atoms you have there? It's important to keep those separate. Because when you write the formula for something, like this is magnesium nitrate. Look right here. You see anything different down here that you haven't seen before when we wrote formulas?
Parentheses.
Parentheses. Let's look at this real quick. If we write, what does that tell me? This 2 tells me I have 2 of everything inside the parentheses. Why do I need 2 nitrates here? Because magnesium is 2 plus, right? It's a group 2, so it's 2 plus. Nitrate is only 1 minus, so I need 2 nitrates for every 1 magnesium. What does it look like if I don't put parentheses on there?
It's like 32.
32 oxygens. That makes no sense at all. Okay? This is absolutely wrong. When you have to have multiples of that, you have to use parentheses. And that's why before, when I wrote magnesium hydroxide, it looks like that. I have 2 hydroxide ions for every 1 magnesium that I have here. Okay? Make sense?
Yeah.
So, let's write the formula for aluminum bicarbonate. We're going to always follow these steps. I'm going to do it right here underneath. What's the aluminum ion? Al. What's the charge on it? 3 plus. How do you know it's 3 plus? Because it's group 3 metal. It's 3 plus, right? And bicarbonate, if you look in your book, is HCO3 minus. Cross them over just like we've been doing. Al parentheses HCO3, and I need 3 of them. Okay? Does that make sense? A little bit?
Like
Cross them over, right? Take that 3, put it down here. Take the 1, put it down here. You need 3 bicarbonates for every 1 aluminum. It's right there. Don't groan.
Never use.
All right, I want y'all to write the formula for sodium phosphate. Give you a minute to do that.
What page are you on?
178. If you have, this is the new book, right? Yeah, you have the Firefly book. I don't know what it is, if you have the Flamingo or the Scuba Diver. That was 2 editions ago. I'll just scoop it out on the front coral. Are we ready?
Yeah.
What's the sodium ion? Na.
One plus.
What's the charge on sodium?
One plus.
Plus 1. 1 plus. In the phosphate ion? PO.
3 negative.
3 negative. Na.
3.
3.
4.
PO. No parentheses. Because I only have 1 phosphate ion. So I don't have to put parentheses. Okay?
If you did write parentheses, would that be wrong?
Yeah.
Does that mean something entirely different from what?
No, but it's just not done.
Okay.
All right. Now. What about this one? All right, what's the charge on the iron ion?
3 plus.
3 plus. And what's sulfate? SO4, 2 negative. Fe2, SO4,
Parentheses.
3. All right. Well, give me the name for this one then. Why don't you name that? Oh, we still got to talk about blowing stuff up today. We hurry up. We killed some people, we might as well blow some stuff up, right? I want you to give me the name for that. You don't do anything different. What do you know that you have to put there? You better put a Roman numeral, right?
Did you forget the 3? Yeah, because.
No. All right. What's the charge on phosphate? This is phosphate, right? What's the charge on it? 3 negative. So I have a total of what?
6.
So what does that mean this manganese must be?
6.
Manganese 6 phosphate. If I would have put a 3 here, that would have been manganese 2-phosphate, right? Couple more.
I'm sorry, what was the final formula for the previous one?
Yeah.
Manganese 6-phosphate. Oh, I want to change this. All right, let's do the bottom one first. Anybody? Cadmium? And what's the anion? Cyanide? And what's the Roman numeral? There isn't one, because cadmium is always 2+, so you don't need a Roman numeral. Cadmium cyanide. All right, what about this one?
Ammonium nitrate.
Ammonium nitrate.
Tree, I'm sorry.
Anybody know what this is famous for? Anybody know who Timothy McVeigh is?
No.
Yes, he blew up the building,
Us older folk know who he is.
we blew up the, it was a bomber in,
He blew something up. What did he blow up?
it was the, tax building, not the, it was a.
Federal building.
Federal building and.
In Oklahoma City.
That's right. Daycare.
There's a lot of people there. Yeah. Yeah, Timothy McVeigh drove a truckload of ammonium nitrate, commonly used as fertilizer, that he had bought at a feed and seed store, up to a federal building in Oklahoma City and blew it up.
Is this guy who lived in the middle of nowhere?
No, you're thinking about Ted Kaczynski, the Unabomber. He's a different crazy guy.
He put it in a mailbox. No.
And he used to mail stuff to people, blow them up. Yeah, this was, yeah, Ted Kaczynski's dead. This guy's still alive.
He's on death row.
He's on death row, yeah. But, yeah, so now if you want to go buy a whole bunch of ammonium nitrate, you have to have a license to buy it. Before then, you could walk into feed and seed and buy like thousands of pounds of ammonium nitrate. Now you have to have a license to buy it. So, all right, now you know how to build a gas chamber, and you know a common ingredient used in IEDs, improvised explosive devices. What else you want to know today? Oh, we talked about how to get rid of the body. Anything else important for today?
Something legal.
Something lethal? Why are you-
Legal.
Legal?
Legal.
Well, what fun is that? All right, so on Wednesday, we'll finish up this chapter and probably start on the next chapter, okay? You work on the homework. See you guys Wednesday.
Is it on this? Do Friday, right?
I guess do Sunday.
Sunday.